Welcome to BuildCenter. Today we'll be learning about time cards. So let's log in. Make sure your login has administrative privileges. Once you're logged in, let's click on the time card section. Here you can select the different employees to view or edit. And here you could select the different dates from week to week. The time card is broken into day to day from Monday through Sunday. And as you can see, it provides you the day, the project, the miles they drove, the number of hours of break they have taken for that day, the number of hours they worked for the day. The hours also break down to the number of hours and the rate of pay. For example, here you could see on Wednesday, this person worked 8 hours, getting paid regularly, and then he had 0.5 hours, which is overtime, paid at 1.5 rate. At the bottom, it gives you the total of miles, breaks, and hours they did for the whole week. If you want to drill down to the details of a workday, you can click on that day. As you can see, the employees' times are broken into several entries. And each entry has a start and end time, the number of hours they worked, and the miles. And if they did take a lunch, it would be considered a break entry. That way it's not counted into their total hours. In this entry, you would see he did mechanical engineering for 6 to 10. Then from 10 to 11, he took a lunch. Then worked from 11 to 3 for consulting services, making it a total of 8 hours. Also from the screen, you could edit these entries. You could add more entries by clicking on the gear and insert new entry, and these entries will be added below. So you could add a new entry or add a break, or you could split a break, meaning that you could split a time entry and insert a break in between. So let's add a new entry below the lunch. Here we could select the project, the cost code, and the time. If you prefer, you could just use the hours and it will automatically adjust the time. So let's say 1.5 hours. And now you see that the time has been adjusted. Now you notice there's a conflict in red. So let's change the time so we could fix the conflict. The conflict is now fixed. On any of these entries, you could change the project, the cost code, the start time, the end time. Just make sure it does not conflict. Once finished, make sure you click on Update, or else this will not save to the database. So let's do that. Now you can see that your entry was made and it's been saved. So let's get out of this. If you want to print the employee's time card, click on the print button. From here you could select one employee or all the employees or several employees. We'll select one. Then you want to click on the print. The PDF will show you the person, the work week, and the breakdown of each day. And it'll show you the total mileage they drove and the total number of hours they worked. This PDF can be printed, signed by an employee, and then turned in for approval. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.